Hello everyone! If you want to know how to download and install a custom font on Photoshop, this tutorial is for you. So the first thing we need to do is download a font. We will use Dafont website to search for a good one. This is the biggest platform, and I recommend it. You can filter it by categories. I will choose this one for example, so let's download it. Once downloaded, you need to extract it. And now go to the font settings in your computer and just drag the file right here. If this option doesn't appear, you can always go to your Windows folder, then search for fonts, and drag the file there. In my case, I'm getting an error because I downloaded this font already. That's how easy you can install a font. Now you can go into Photoshop, let's create some text right here, and let's search for the new font. As you can see, it was applied correctly, and the downloaded font is in the list. This specific font looks kind of weird in uppercase, but the important thing is that you've learned how to install them. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. Thanks for watching.